What's up, Ryan? First off, I just want to say that I'm a huge fan of your videos and the work that you do. I've basically watched all your videos since you first came across my Facebook feed over a year ago. Really stellar stuff, man. You guys make me want to throw on my mud boots and start leveling concrete with you guys. But what I actually do is I run my own marketing agency. So I build websites, do search engine optimization, Facebook and Google ads, social media stuff, and Google review management, the whole 9 yards. But the reason that I'm sending you this video is because it looks like you recently redid your website, or at the very least you made some changes to it, and there's some things that really need fixed that could cause issues in the future. And I also just wanted to send over some tips and tricks to help you land more jobs. The first thing here, obviously I have your website pulled up. Your website is not secure. So what's happening basically is there's a 412 error. You can see right here. Target page return 412. And if you just go look at it here, when you have the 412 error, what can happen is this, which is what you really don't want to happen. Search engines like Google will not index a URL with the 412 failure. So I was looking for your stuff, and your website is still in the search engine results, which is good. But the longer you leave your website not secure with that 412 error, Google will eventually unindex your website. So that is a major thing that needs fixed sooner rather than later. The second thing is you definitely want a click to call right here in your hero section of your website. It has a little call us today, but I don't think that's clickable, so nobody can call you from that right there. It looks like you have a free quote form, which is good. But you definitely want to click to call on here, so when someone lands on your website, they can just click and they'll call you right away. The next thing I kind of want to show you is your content and your keywords that you have on your website. So what I do to kind of look at that, don't mind my cat. You can go in here and look at your keywords. This is Ahrefs. It's a tool that collects all of the website data within Google, and it shows backlinks, keywords, traffic, and all that good stuff. So obviously you get most of your traffic from your brand name because you guys have a great channel and you guys do great work. So a lot of people search for you. You can see here that you're getting over 1,200 traffic per month from people searching directly for your brand. So that's really awesome. What I recommend also, in addition to your brand keywords, is adding in the buyer intent keywords for your service areas. So what I did is I pulled up another concrete company in Milwaukee just to kind of see, to show you the volume and keywords that you should also be going after. So if I just type Milwaukee in here to filter out the keywords that we don't want to see here. Just gotta figure out how to spell it. Okay, there we go. So for example, these are words you should have on your website. Like driveway. No, we don't want that. Wrong way here. Here we go. Concrete contractors Milwaukee. There's 200 searches per month. Concrete contractor Milwaukee, 150 per month. Backyard patio, 100. Milwaukee concrete, 100. Concrete Milwaukee, 100. These are all searches per month. And I think you get the idea here, but once you add all these up, there's definitely over 1,000 searches per month for people looking to get concrete services done. Concrete repair, concrete company, patios, driveways, all that good stuff. So essentially what you want to do is you want these keywords on your website. So like we could go in here under your concrete page, and you would want those keywords that we were just looking at on this page, because that's going to tell Google to rank you for those keywords. So instead of just getting your branding traffic, you're also going to get your concrete service keywords on there too and get the traffic from that. Because you're obviously super popular, but there's going to be some people who don't know about you. So when people type in those keywords, concrete contractors Milwaukee, we want you showing up on first for that. Just so you can get that job, you know. I'm sure you guys are super busy already because you're super popular and super cool. I love you guys. But it's always good to rank for these keywords right here, because it's, at the end of the day, it's going to land you more jobs, more money. So those are the main things I wanted to show you for your website. You need those keywords on your website to rank for them. And also 100% contact whoever built your website and get them to get an SSL certificate for your website and secure this baby so it doesn't unindex from Google. The second thing is your Google business profile. Obviously you're doing really great with that. You have damn near 1,000 reviews on there, so you're doing super good. The only thing I recommend for this is to reply to the reviews that you do have. That will help your Google business profile rank when people search for concrete services. That's all I gotta say for your Google business profile, because it looks pretty good. And the third thing is the backlinks, like I was saying. So if we go in here and just kind of look at an overview of your website, like I said, it has that 412 error. You definitely want to get that fixed. What that needs is a SSL certificate. Just get your website secured. And you can see here that you have 88 backlinks from 67 different websites going back to your website. And if you don't know what a backlink is, I can just hop in here and show you real quick. So you have a link from dnb.com. I can pop right in there. And we'll see here. Let's go to a different one so I don't have to wait for it. kevsbest.com. So you can see here we got kevsbest.com, and you have a link somewhere on this page going back to your website. That is what a backlink is. So right here, somewhere around here, probably within one of these pictures, honestly, if we go all the way down to yours. But let's see real quick just so I can show you. Yep, so here it is. So somewhere in here they have a link that goes back to your website, and that's giving your website a backlink. And the way we rank those keywords for you is first, like I said, get those keywords on your website, and then we get backlinks with the anchor text of those keywords, for example. So we'd want the backlink keyword, and then that keyword is the backlink, was what I'm trying to say. So the people would be able to click on this and it would take you back to your website. That is how you would rank specifically for a certain keyword. And then you could get, this is just for Milwaukee too. This isn't even counting the other place you serve, Waukesha, I think it was, or something like that. But anyway, at the end of the day, you're doing great with your branding. I do recommend trying to rank for those serviceable keywords in your area, because like I said, it's going to bring you in more leads, more jobs landed, more money, and at the end of the day, that's what we work for, right? But just wanted to shoot this video for you. Hopefully it helps you in some way. I love watching your stuff, and I'll continue to watch your stuff. And if you like what you've seen here, you can reach back to me. I'll include my number within the email, or you can just email me back, man. I love helping you. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day and have a good year, man. Bye.